Alright, I got it uncovered. So now I can take it upstairs. I don't think I need to clean the coils this year because they didn't really get very dirty last summer. I do want to buy an air filter for it because it doesn't have one right now. But it'll be fine for now. Alright, let's see if the compressor wants to start now. It's been up here for a while. I tried to start it after I first installed it and it still wouldn't start. It should now. So we're on the coldest setting. Let's go to low. Just started. The thing I like about this air conditioner is it's pretty quiet on low, but when you turn it on high, it makes some nice noise, which is good if you got neighbors who like to have loud parties during the summertime at night, because it drowns that sound out real good. I mean, yeah, it's nice to have quiet air conditioners, but in this case, it's quiet on low and it drowns out the outside noise when it's on high, so it's a win-win. Alright, I am slowly starting to put the air conditioners in the windows. I already got the 6000 BTU Whirlpool in the first floor bedroom, so I think today I'm actually going to put that Emerson Quiet Cool upstairs in the second floor bedroom. So I want to try it out up there. We'll see how it does. And noise is coming from the washing machine. The slumber line is going in the dining room this year, and then this Carry Cool is going in the kitchen, and the hot point is going in the living room. I'm sure some of them will be switched out as summer goes along, just so I can try out more, but that's what we're going to be starting with this year. So that's the window that the Quiet Cool is going in. I had this 7500 BTU Fetters in here last season, and I actually ran this for a little while in here back I think at the end of February this year when it got a little bit warm. I had it on for a little while, but I took it back out because it was just too cold to have it in. But I think I'm going to go ahead and install the Quiet Cool up here, which means that I have to go out on that part of the roof and pull these storm windows off. Hate doing that. Got it all installed. Side panels are screwed into the window, plugged in. Try it out. Compressor might not start yet, but we'll see. Oh, it did. A little bit of vibration. But it's very quiet other than that. That's high speed. Well, I guess we'll see how this one works up here. If it's not powerful enough for this room, then I will install probably an 8500 BTU Sharp, if I don't decide to just put that Fetters back in. I just brought the Carry Cool up from the basement. Let's go on that window right there. Alright, 1982 Carry Cool installed. Let's see how it sounds. Should be a lot quieter with half of it sticking out the window now. Alright, let's try it out. Yeah, that's a lot quieter. And the compressor did start. Let's go take a look at it from the outside. And there's the quiet cool up there. I have a feeling this is going to work very well. That's already blowing ice cold air. And there's high again. Nice. Just got the 6000 BTU slumber line installed in the dining room. Got it plugged in. See how it runs. It's a lot quieter when it's in the window, that's for sure. Put it on, I'll leave it on medium and go look outside. And I got the Hotpoint 8400 BTU in the living room. Guess we're going with the wood grain theme this year, at least for now. Start it up. Low speed. And there's high. Pretty quiet. So that does it for this floor. I might put a couple more in upstairs, and then of course I have to put the ones in at the other house yet. I got the 5450 BTU Kenmore installed in this room upstairs. This room doesn't get used too much. It's mostly just junk storage right now, but I'm going to be cleaning this up eventually and using this room, so I just put an air conditioner in here anyway. This one was in that middle small bedroom last year. And in this window I had that 5000 BTU Kenmore that was made by Whirlpool last year. But, let's start it up. And that is on high. It's very quiet. Medium and low. And the 5200 BTU white Westinghouse is installed. This one's from 1994, and this is where the last one that I showed was installed last year. Now it's just one room over, and I didn't use this white Westinghouse in any room last summer. I think I got it in July last year, and I cleaned it and just put it away for future use, so now it's going to get used. Alright, let's start it up. Yeah, that's high. This thing is really quiet. There's low. It's amazing how quiet these WCIs are. If you want something quiet, get one of these. Definitely a little more space to walk down here in the basement now. Because before there was a stack of 3 air conditioners right there. Now we just got that stack left. And the one over there. I'm sure I'll probably end up using a few more of these sometime this year. I just don't know where. But I guess we'll see how everything goes and how well the ones that I just put in work. And if I want to make a change, I will. And that unit right there, that 5600 BTU Kenmore, that's probably going to go back out in the garage where it was before. That's going to the other house, that 6050 BTU GE. The 8100 BTU GE and that 5000 BTU Whirlpool are also going back to the other house. And that little 6000 BTU Whirlpool from the 70s that was over here is installed up in the first floor bedroom of this house now.